I'm Melanie Young. I just finished my Cert 4 in Accounting and Bookkeeping at Melbourne Polytechnic. Yeah, I was really surprised to find out that I'd received the Outstanding Student of the Year award. It was just not something that I ever considered would happen. First, I didn't know it existed, but when I read it, I was like, is this a joke? Or like, who's pranking me? As I got older, I thought, well, when I re-enter the workforce after my son's old enough, I want to do something that I can do for a long time and not have to worry about, is my body going to collapse? So, accounting. I can sit in an office, I can work hard and be productive, but not destroy my body in doing it, which is important. When I did VCE, I did maths methods as well as general maths and physics and chemistry and all that fun stuff. I just love maths, and I've always been into astronomy and science. And being musical, we use a lot of maths in music when you're calculating your harmonies as a singer, particularly a backing singer. I like the fact that there's an answer. In a lot of humanities stuff, that the answer's fluid or up to interpretation. In maths, there's a right and a wrong, and I like that. Everything in the universe comes back to the Fibonacci sequence. It's the mathematical sequence used to describe almost everything in nature. You can use it to describe the spiral in a flower and the spiral in a shell, and you can equate them. And you can use that in music to create intervals and different syllable sounds, and yeah, it's always beautiful. Everything in the universe requires maths. I say maths is the language of understanding the universe, and music is the artistic expression of mathematics. And just the way everything flows together, mathematics is a wonderful thing. Well, yeah, I say I sung professionally with Joey Fatoni from NSYNC because he was the host of one of the game shows I was on that required singing. We sang together at the very end, and because I won money on that game show, well, I was paid to do it. I always love game shows, and anything to do with general knowledge, trivia, quizzing, I just love it. I'm not sure if it's a non-neurotypical thing, but I'm really, really quick with recall. So yeah, game shows are right up my alley. I have a lot of fun on them, and apparently I'm good at them. You wouldn't worry about what people think about you if you realised how little they do. We spend a lot of time worrying about, well, they're going to think I'm terrible, and they're going to think I'm a bad person. But then if somebody's going to judge you for superficial things, then they're not really someone you want in your life. There's always a good. And if you look for it, you'll find it. You can be at your worst and you know that eventually something's going to make you smile again.